Okay, so here's one of the tools that kind of forgot about, if you will. This has been around for about 3 years, but turns out it's a very needed tool. Now, this tip right here will allow you to hold pretty much any knockdown on the market, any standard knockdown. You can slide it in. It's got a collar on it, which is great because if we're using a knockdown that has foam on it, what I don't want to do is distort the foam or cut it or even put a hole in it. So with that ring, you can see places in there really nice. And it gives you tons of control, especially with the kidney foot. All right, so a lot of more traditional extended knockdowns, you're gonna see that you gotta hold it. And sometimes it gets a little troublesome with accuracy. If I can place this down on the panel, it's gonna give me that control to be extremely accurate when knocking down high spots. Now, the beautiful thing about this is that it's, what is that, 20 bucks on the site? $20 on the site. Same thing with the attachment with the kidney foot. A lot of you guys already have these blending hammers. If you wanna just purchase the attachments alone, it's gonna cost you right around 40 bucks for both of them. You can't beat that. That's a killer deal on the site right now. Guys, go out there and check it out. Check it out. I highly recommend it. I haven't used it enough. I wish I had been using it more often, but until you get into a situation like this, you don't realize how important it is to have this tool. Check it out on the site, KECOtabs.com.